Jewelry experts are keeping this secret from us. Put your silver jewelry in boiling water. They definitely don't want us to know this household trick. Over time, silver accessories and jewelry tarnish. This happens because of a natural chemical process. Silver reacts with sulfur in the air. It starts to oxidize and darken in color. Pour water into a pan and bring it to a boil. Then, put your dirty silver in it. The water must cover the silver completely. Take regular toothpaste. Squeeze out a tablespoon of it. Then, dissolve it in the water. Make sure the toothpaste doesn't contain abrasive particles and isn't a whitening type. Toothpaste has cleaning and polishing properties. Next, add a tablespoon of baking soda. It will start to fizz. This fizzing action helps to remove dirt from the crevices of the jewelry. It will also eliminate the unpleasant smell of oxidized silver and brighten it. Additionally, add a small spoonful of table salt. Salt has properties that prevent silver from darkening. Tear off a piece of aluminum foil and put it in the pan. Then, heat everything for a few minutes. The combination of all these ingredients will make your silver as clean as if it had been professionally cleaned by a jeweler. Even the smallest crevices will shine beautifully again. Your jewelry will look like new.